Benvenuti alla Fontana. Welcome to La Fontana, authentic restaurant in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm Chef Gary, and here we go again with our hard on the outside and soft on the inside. I'm going to show you how to make an Italiano sandwich, okay? Which consists of all Italian meats and cheeses. What I like to do is always use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to soak up on the bread. There's never enough of olive oil, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to use some capeculo, okay? Then I got some salame milanese, supersada, all right? Then we're gonna top it off with a couple slices of provolone cheese, all right? And of course, our traditional fresh mozzarella fresca, tomatoes on there. Okay. And top it off like that. You know, you always want to kind of fill it in. And what I usually always, some people do, some people don't. I always like to put a little bit of, of course, a little bit of spring mix on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to top it down. And this is going to be your traditional Italian hoagie roll. This is Chef Gary. Chi mangia bene vive meglio. Who eats good lives well. Thank you.